Incremental greetings. Let's continue the Supermemo Course, the Pleasurable expansion. Let's do cognition. In this case, it's everything is empty because it's dismissed and is applied done. And there's no text. Okay, now Alt-D. Where am I? Here you go. So if we are strict, the video we have seen about how to create concepts, we are missing one. That is to do when you duplicate an element concept. And again, you have duplicate colon, in this case concept colon, and the name of that concept. And if we go to the registry, where it is in the registry, let's see. It says that the element type is concept, right? Let me rename it. Just in case, I will rename it as Cognition 2. It's not there. Okay, no worries. Let me change the collection just in case. Yeah, still 8. So no, that's why it was not in that video. I don't know if it's a bug or it's a feature that prevents this, but even if it looks like a concept, it cannot be used as a concept. Now if I create it, now it will be there. Here you go. So remember, don't use the duplicate to duplicate the concept. And finally, for tasks, something that I never did in my life. Let's say this, ideas for a hotkey. I convert this to a task. Nice. Now it's a task. If I duplicate this, obviously it's a task. But let's see what's there. Now if you click Ctrl+Shift+P to get the parameters window, you get this. Cannot focus on disabled or invisible window. Some errors. But do you see it says task, but I only see the element. I don't see the task tab. Yeah. And I get the same error. So again, don't use duplicate for concepts or tasks, even though Supermemo lets you do that, because there are too many bugs. It's not worth it. So create one from scratch. Or so you can create a new folder or even a topic. You dismiss the topic right away, it's a folder. Then you convert it to a concept. Or if it's a task, you start with a topic, you convert it to a task, and then you adapt it. Copy and paste. But don't use the duplicate, because it's way too buggy. And for items, do whatever. There's no issue with items with this perspective. See you in the next video.